Why are UK therapy waiting lists exploding? Imagine you finally reach out for help, and you're told you must wait months, even years. Sounds unfair? It's reality. In the UK today, therapy waiting lists are soaring, and it's not just numbers, it's people's lives. I'm Professor, and let's unpack why it's happening and what we can do. Here's the truth. In England alone, mental health services received a record 5.2 million referrals in 2024, up nearly 38% since 2019. Yet many still wait more than 18 months for meaningful treatment. According to the charity Rethink Mental Illness, people are 8 times more likely to wait over 18 months for mental health support than for physical care. Expert Advice Hub. So we're facing a perfect storm. Soaring demand plus stretched resources equals long delays. Why is this happening? Several reasons. Workforce shortages, not enough trained therapists, or the two-tier problem. Those who can afford private care may skip the queue, others get left waiting. And behind all this, the stigma is falling. People are seeking help earlier, which is great, but the system isn't yet scaled to match. Call to action, empowering tone. So what can you do right now? If you're waiting, keep reaching out. Ask about alternatives, online support, peer groups, stepping stone programs. If you're a professional or organization, push for stronger policy, better funding, smarter triage, because care delayed is care denied. Let's not accept waiting lists as the norm. Share this video, comment below with your thoughts or experiences. Together we can shine a light on this waiting room crisis and demand change. I'm Professor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.